We start out really slowly with this riff. After the bass begins the riff, we go. Okay, so the bass does it a couple times, then we come in with big string, 3, 4, 5, 3 on the 5th string, hammer 3 to 5 on that one, and then 2 more 5s. Just kind of hold that, a little vibrato. And you'd have like your volume knob way down. And then when it gets big, okay, there's a second guitar that comes in when it goes. Does a 5 to 7 slide, kind of slow on the G string there. And then the second one goes. So you bend that, it's one of those unisons. You bend the 13 on the 2nd string with the little 10. So that's the second fill, and then you go back to that fill. And each time it's like these same fills. The very last time he doesn't do any fills, he just does the big heavy riffs. Take it back down for the next verse. And it gets big again. Okay, and then it's just bass, just like in the beginning. And then we're going to come in with the guitar riff. Okay, so we have 8, 10, 10 on the big string, and those are triplets. We do that 4 times. And then we do the C power chord down to the B flat on the 6th fret. Now here we do the middle 2 strings, the D and G, the 8's there, and then we go 8 and 6, hammers into the 7 on the G string. We do that 4 times through. Okay, then our verse riff is going to be. Okay, so we're on the big string. We got 8 power chord to 11 to 10. So that's C to E flat to D. 3, 4. Then we jump down to the 6, down to the A string, 8. So. And then we just finish with 8, 6, 8. Try that. 2, 3, and. Okay, so it ends up doing that 8 times, and then we're back to the. Oh, we do that 4 times. And then we're back to this riff C. Do that 8 more times, and then we have a little bit of a bridge. We're like. Okay, so that was 8 power chord, and then 11, and then 13, and then 15. We do that 3 times. So 2, 3, and. Okay, then we get this new part. We got. Okay, so we're doing the 9 to the 8, and then we're palm muting. We're going 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, That last one's gonna be a down up, so a little quicker. 3, 4. Okay, so that goes 10 times of that, and we're back into that part B. Okay, so we do that 4 times. So here's a bit of the solo we got. Okay, so that's the first part of the solo. So we got 7 to 8, hammer on, back to 7. Then we have a hammer, 7 to 8, 10, 10, and then 10 again. And then hammer on, pull off, 7, 8, 7. So an 8 over here. So we got. Okay. Now this next one's kind of easy. It's. So 8, 7 to 10, 8, 7 to 10, 7, 7, 8 to 7, 10. So. Okay, the next one is. So hammer on, pull off, 7, 8, 7 on the D, 10 on the A, 7, 8 on the D, 10, 10, one more 10, and then G string, 7, 8, 7 to 8. So let me try this a little kind of slow. So we got. Okay, then the next one is. So 7, 8, 8, hammer on, pull off with another 7, 10 to 7, pull off with a 7. This next measure goes. So 8 to 7 on the G to 8 on the D, and then 8, 7 here to 10 on the A, so 7. Then we go kind of the other direction than it mostly goes. We got 7, 8, 10, up to 7. So this measure was. Okay, then we have. So pull off to 8 on the D, 7, 7. Same thing twice. And then. So 8, 7 to 8 on the D, and then 8, 7. 7, 8, 10. 10 to 12, 3 more 12s. So one more time we got. Then we're going to take the middle finger, slide from the 12 down into the 8 on the G string, so it's going to go. One more 8, and then da 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 dee da da. So 8 to 7 and 7, 10 to 7 and 7. So we got 7, 7, 10 to 7 and 7, and then 8 to 7 to 8 over here, 8, 7 to 10 there. So, and then next one we got. Okay, so 7, 7, 8, 7, 10, 7, 7, 8, 10 going up to 7. And then, so here we have 10 to 7, another 7, 8, 7 to 8 on the D, and then 3 like quick, could be slides or quick pull-offs. 8 to 7 on the D, and then you got 8, 10, slide, and then da-da-dum, like 3 more of them, and that's that solo. So one more time through the solo, we got. Okay, then we have these new chords. We got 8, 6, 3, big string twice, And then we're back into the. And then it gets big. And at the end, it goes back to just bass and kind of fades out from there. So let's play along with a couple of these riffs real quick. So we're going to come in after the 1 on this. So it's 3, 4, 1, and. Okay, so 3, 4, 1. Let's turn it up this time. Okay, let's look at the next riff. We got. So this is gonna be tough to play it as fast as he does. So let's take it nice and slow. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... It has a little bit of a slide on that chord down to the 6. So 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a... Okay, then we have that. Try that. 2, 3, and. Okay, let's try that one more thing. We got. 2, 3, 4. Okay, a couple of the other riffs were 8, 11, 13, 15. Another one was 8, 6, 3. All right, Hand of Doom, Black Sabbath from the Paranoid album. Hope you dug that. 2 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon.